Defining payment types. Make the client checkout process quicker by setting up the payment types that your business accepts. In this lesson, you'll learn how to edit an existing payment type, make an existing payment type inactive, and activate an inactive payment type. From POS Setup, select Payment Types. This will show all of the payment types currently set up. Enter Edit mode to edit an existing payment type. For a payment type that you will not be using, you can make it inactive. If the payment type is credited towards a bank account, which means it will be included in banking, ensure the toggle is set to Yes. Otherwise, toggle it to No. Click Done to save. To view any payment types you have made inactive, click the filter and select Inactive. To make them active again, select the payment type, enter Edit mode, and change the toggle to Active. Click Done to save. In this lesson, you've learned how to edit an existing payment type, make an existing payment type inactive, and activate an inactive payment type.